Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a new text file in our Visual Studio Code text editor. So to create a text file, you can go up to the top panel and select File, and then the option here, New Text File, this first option at the top. If you click on that, this will then create a new text file for you. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut if you're on a Windows, Control plus N, or if you're on a Mac, you can use Command plus N, and this will also create a new text file for you. One other approach is in your default Visual Studio Code text editor window, you can double click the editor and this will create a new text file for you as well. So there you have it. This is how you can create a new text file in your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.